Hey everybody, it's Kyle at KC Electrics. Hope you're having a great night. I just wanted to say thank you to all my new supporters and fans. This has been an amazing week. We've grown over 100 plus subscribers so far. It's only been a few days since I posted my first few videos here on the Great Guitar Build Off. And I've just gotten a ton of love and support in the comments, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you. It means so much to me, and it's really motivated me to put out some new content and grow on the channel here and just really improve and hopefully provide you guys some really great content in the future. Tonight I want to do something a little bit different than the Great Guitar Build Off, which I'll be putting out a new video likely on Sunday or Monday of next week. But today I wanted to focus on something that's really special to me. That's my very first guitar build. It was a Les Paul style guitar, and you know, when I started, I was really a woodworker prior to building guitars, so I built like little small boxes and fun little things like a bar top arcade and some other cool little projects that I worked on. And of course, everything that you see in my shop too, I built that over the years as well. But you know, I got kind of into guitar building by accident. I was watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, specifically the folks that are involved in the Great Guitar Build Off. So they've really motivated me over the years and inspired me to build my first guitar a little bit ago. And so let me show you what it looks like here. Now again, this is a guitar that I completed. This is my very first guitar. It's a Les Paul style, and it's a mahogany body with a black walnut top, if you can see the difference there. It's got a mahogany neck and ebony fretboard here. And you can see I did add the black walnut to the headstock as well. I made a little veneer there, so it's real thin, but it matches the top of the guitar. It's got some Seymour Duncan pearly gate pickups on it. And then you can see the hardtail there, typical Les Paul setup. I did end up doing the recessed knobs. I just thought it looked really cool. And to be honest, it actually happened by accident. When I was building this guitar, I had bought the short length pots, and they didn't actually fit in my carb pot. They were too short, so I had to kind of improvise. And I was looking at some PRS style guitars, and they had the recessed knobs, and I thought they looked cool. So it kind of fixed the problem, and it looked cool, and I decided to put it in for my first build. It turned out really great. There's a couple things that, of course, every first guitar builder would like to improve. You know, the fitment of the neck pocket was pretty good, I'd say. It's very tight, but there's some really tiny little, you know, nuances here and there that honestly probably someone who wasn't familiar with the actual build like myself wouldn't even actually see. But of course, as a builder, you know all the flaws that are in it. So there's a couple things that I would try and improve on next guitar builds, and I have. I did the inlays myself, so I cut them out of some blank Purloids and did all the channel routing and got them in there. Had to use a chisel. That was kind of fun. That was my first experience doing that, so I have a couple little bit better techniques now that I've done it you know, a time or two. So that's good. Let's see, what else on here? It's got stainless steel frets. They're the medium size. I did all the bevel on the edges, and then also worked on the frets myself, leveled them, crowned them, did all that. The nut is a Tusk nut. And the tuners up at the top there, if you can see them, those are Grover tuners. They're not lock-in style, and to be honest, I don't really like the lock-in tuners just because they're kind of difficult to adjust on the fly. You have to unlock them, tune them, and lock them back. Not really what I like, so I'm glad I didn't do the lock-in tuners on this one. Overall, really love this guitar. I got a pretty sweet strap for it as well. I think it looked really cool. It's kind of period to maybe the late 60s, 70s. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys that, and I'm going to give you a little montage. Now, this was before YouTube, and so I don't have any video of me actually building this guitar. This was before I realized I wanted to share it so much with other people, but I do have a ton of pictures of the build, so I put together a little montage. If you care to watch it, I think it's pretty interesting, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day.
you.